Today we are finally going to be doing the can. It's super easy, but I got a story, so stay tuned. Alright, so let me give you a quick story. These things right here were just awful. Okay, when I got the catch can, it only came with one hose. So I bought another one. They ended up losing that one, so I had to wait. Then I bought another one. They only sent me one, so I had to wait another week before I got the next one. I'm disappointed and happy all at the same time. So let's do it. Let's get it in. Hood popped. Alright, now give me a minute. Pretty straightforward. You take off this hose, which is connected right there. Then you put your new hose on right there, and it's gonna go over here. And you take your other hose and you plug it in right here, and then you put it over here. It's simple, easy stuff. It's gonna come with a bracket. Then you have 2 screws. It comes with everything you need. It's gonna come with a bracket. You're gonna take off this. You're gonna put your bracket on the bolt, and you're gonna put the nut back over it to hold it in. It's easy. For this, you're gonna need a ratchet. I think it's a 10mm socket and a screwdriver. Everything else is gonna come with it. Enough talk, let's go. You're gonna pull it off. There goes that one. There's that one. You're gonna grab your hose, make sure you got the clamps and shit on it. Feed it under. Put it on. Boom, on. Second hose gonna get plugged in. And plugged in like that. Boom. Tighten them up, cut them to length, which I'm gonna do in a few minutes, but that's gonna do it. There you guys go. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you install a can on your car. If you guys enjoyed, like the video, and have a good rest of your day.